Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Here we have to scroll and find reset options. And right here we've got two options which are connected with the network. So we can reset mobile network settings and reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And basically the operation for both looks the same or similar. Just tap on the specific option, tap on reset settings. Of course, you will have to confirm it with your screen lock. And here we've got the information that we cannot undo this action. So do it only if you're ready. Just tap on reset settings and we just successfully reset network preferences. I mean mobile network settings. We can also reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just tap on it. Here we've got, the same operation, however, it is a little bit shorter because we do not have to confirm anything. We just have each information in this pop-out window, so just tap on reset if you're ready. And as you can see, we just successfully reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.